Would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married? How about instead of marriage, he wants to be life partner?
Well, I don't like children. I don't want to have children.
Hi everyone, I'm Lorie and welcome to the Fuentes Family Channel. There may be many men from around the world that do not want to get married and prefer a life partner instead. So in today's video, we are going to interview Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines and ask them, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married? Let's find out. Enjoy the interviews. What's your name and age?
Hi, I am Shy. You can call me Shy, and I'm 21 years old.
21. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single.
How long have you been single?
Um, 2 years.
2 years. Okay. Are you studying?
Yep.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor in Science in Hospitality Management.
Okay. Shy, would you date a foreigner that doesn't want marriage?
Um, y- yes, because I don't also like to marry to marry.
May we know why you don't want to get married?
Well, I don't like children. I don't want to have children, to be exact. That's why I don't want to marry also.
I think even if you don't get married, you can have children. So why not, like what's the reason behind you not liking to get married?
I don't know. I just like to be single forever, like that. And children is, irritating sometimes. I would rather have dogs or cats or pets than to have children.
Oh, so you're like an animal lover, right?
Um yeah,
Okay,
you
well,
can say that.
well, we respect your answer. We've we saw our friend. We interviewed her before. She is Kai, and you're how old are you again, Kai? 20 years old, and you're still single, right?
Yeah.
I don't know when was the first time we interviewed her, but until now she's still single since birth, right?
Yeah.
You're studying, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, Kai, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married?
No.
No. How about instead of marriage, he wants to be your life partner and promises to be with you for the rest of his life? Would you consider?
No.
No, still no.
Yeah. No.
So
Final answer. No.
so you would date a foreigner but you want to get married, right?
Yeah.
What's your name and age?
My name is Athena and I am 23 years of age.
23. 23, you look so young for your age. You're welcome. May we know what's your job?
Okay, my job is actually I'm a freelance model and I am a teacher.
A teacher. High school or elementary?
High school. I am major in English. Secondary school.
English teacher. That's a very beautiful job.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, Athena, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married?
Actually, in my own perspective, you know that I am going to date and that date is actually have a purpose na dapat ikasal. Kasi ganun yung paniniwala sa family namin.
Oh, so she wants date to marriage because that's the belief of their family.
Yes.
Okay, so your answer is no.
No.
How about instead of marriage, he wants to be with you as a life partner and promises to be with you for the rest of his life? Would you consider?
I would consider that promise if he's going to, if he's going to prove that promise.
If he's going to prove.
That promise, okay. Because I do believe that marriage is the most important thing about a love. But for some instances, I met a lot of people na hindi sila kinakasal but they are actually going stronger in their relationship. So, I would advise to this generation that if you want to have that kind of strong relationship, you must put God at the center of your relationship. So that would be all for me.
Okay, that's because she knew couples, right, that are not
Yes.
married and they have a strong relationship. What's your name and age?
I'm Angel and I'm 21 years old.
21 years old. Are you single or in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
Almost 5 years.
5 years. Okay. Are you looking for like a serious relationship right now?
No, I'm currently focused on my studies.
Okay. Um, Angel, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married?
Uh, to date a foreigner, yes, but marriage is not. It's not yet on my mind since I want to explore, travel, and I want to gain more experience muna for myself. Ayoko muna mag-settle hanggat hindi ko pa parang napoprovide yung needs ng family ko as well as needs ko and wants ko mag-travel around the world.
So she has her own priorities at the moment. But let's say in the future, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married? Let's say when you're ready.
I think we'll just cross the line if umabot tayo sa punto ng gano'n na po.
Okay, I see. So it could be yes, right?
It could be yes, could be no, could be no.
Oh, I see. But if it's like, let's say it's a no, okay? Let's say instead of marriage, okay, he wants to be your life partner and promises to be with you for the rest of his life, would you consider?
I think he would if he would treat me right like sometimes kasi naririnig ko or nakikita ko sa social media parang mostly yung mga Pinay parang 'di ba parang nakaka-experience sila ng physical abuse from their partner kahit na parang married sila pero if you promise na yung consistency na love, care and loyal and respect as well okay sa akin maybe makonsider ko rin yun.
Okay. So, she saw from social media like couples, even they're married already. The spouse, they're abusing them. So, for her, it really depends if he promises to, take care of her, like that, love her, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Love and respect.
Yes, love and respect. What's your name and age?
My name po is Lala and my age po is 20 years old.
That's a very beautiful name, Lala. Are you single or in a relationship?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Magpo 4 years na po akong single.
4 years. May we know what's your course?
BSTM, Po.
PSCM. What is that?
Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Mm. Lala, would you date a foreigner that does not want to get married?
I think I would date a foreigner. I would date a foreigner that does not want to get married kasi same lang din po yung goal ko. Like ayoko din po magpakasal.
Oh, so she said yes because she also doesn't want to get married. Would you like to like explain why? Like why you don't want to get married?
For me po kasi is parang like ngayon and naisip ko po yung parang future ko is ako lang po and family ko. Like hindi ko po naisip na parang magkaanak, ano po. Parang for me is parang hindi naman po siya burden. Like wala sa isip ko talaga. Pero open naman po ako parang sa relationship. Pero yung pagpapakasal and pag-aanak, hindi po ako.
Oh, so just life partner, that's it, right? So she said that she doesn't think it as a burden, but kind of like she like her by herself. She just think of herself and her family like that, and then she doesn't see herself having a child and then being married. That's it. Well, anyway, Lala, we what do you call this? Like we respect your answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you po.